Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel, and yes, you guessed it right, welcome to a new video in Plasticity. Well, today's video is going to be very short, but I'm going to be talking about an extremely powerful tool, so you definitely don't want to miss this one, right? It's called the ISOPARAM tool, and the way to get it is hit F on your keyboard to find it, type in ISO, click on ISOPARAM, right? This tool will allow you to add edges to your object, and you can either have them vertically, or if I hit the tab key, this will change to horizontally, right? And if you want multiple, what you can do is hold down your shift key and just scroll, right? Scroll the mouse up or down. And when you do that, you will get something like this, and then you can commit to it if you like. You can go to face mode and you can click these guys and they do something like this. Pretty sweet, right? Well, that's all it is, but nevertheless, like I said, very, very powerful. So yeah, check it out and play with it, right? Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye.